Good morning, Botai. Yesterday we spoke about the importance of the order of the Tefillah and what happens if a person comes late to the Beit Knesset and he finds the minyan already well into the Tefillah. What he can do in order to salvage Tefillah B'tzibur. Obviously, the most important thing when a person comes to daven in shul is Tefillah B'tzibur. Tefillah B'tzibur, the definition of Tefillah B'tzibur is praying Amidah with the Tzibur. Everything else is unbelievable. Answering Kaddish and Kiddusha and Baruchu and all of the other things. But Tefillah B'tzibur, the definition of that is praying Amidah with the Tzibur. Now there are different levels, there are varying levels of Tefillah B'tzibur. Best case scenario, best Tefillah B'tzibur is beginning, standing Baruch Atah Hashem Ga'al Yisrael together with the Tzibur, starting Hashem Sefatai Tiftach with the Chazan and the Kahal. That's the highest level of Tefillah B'tzibur. Then, the level under that is, if let's say a person doesn't stand with the Kahal for Ga'al Yisrael, rather they already started Amidah, and then he merges in the middle of their silent Amidah, also considered Tefillah B'tzibur. Lower level, but also. Now, a lower level than that is if a person is not able to catch the Tzibur in the middle of their silent Amidah, rather he waits. There's certain times when Be'emet a person should not begin. If let's say the Tzibur is already a few minutes into their silent Amidah and they're about to start Chazarat HaShatz, you shouldn't jump in right there. Wait for the Chazan. A person should wait for the Shliach Tzibur and start his silent Amidah with the Chazan's Chazarat HaShatz. That's also a form of Tefillah B'tzibur. Bottom of the barrel, Tefillah B'tzibur, is when a person's already passed. The Chazan has already started the Amidah, his Chazarat HaShatz, he's already said Kiddusha, and then a person's late, he merges into the Chazan's Chazarat HaShatz. That's also considered a form of Tefillah B'tzibur, but that's the lowest level. After that, once the Chazan has already finished the Chazarat HaShatz, that's not considered praying Tefillah B'tzibur anymore. It happens many times that people come very late to shul. And as a result of that, no matter what they do, they're missing the entire Amidah and Chazarat HaShatz and everything it is. They have to know. There's obviously what to be said about praying b'makom kavua, about praying in one shul and always being consistent with that. That's unbelievable. But a person should always have a backup minyan. Always a backup. Why? In case you're late, you're so late that you know that you're not going to be able, or you walk in and you see, that's it, I missed Tefillah B'tzibur with this minyan. Yes, you'd be getting Tefillah B'Beit Knesset, which is also a wonderful thing, but why forfeit Tefillah B'tzibur? A person should always have a backup minyan. Some people are stubborn. No, I can only daven in this shul, and that's it. Even if I miss the minyan, I'd rather pray b'chidut. That's a mistake. Why give up Tefillah B'tzibur? You missed this minyan, go find another minyan. That's why a person should always have, like I said, a backup minyan. If you miss one, or if you're late to one, and you're not able to get Tefillah B'tzibur here, so at least go somewhere else. Maybe it's not your makom kavua, maybe it's not, you're not as used to praying there, but at the end of the day, Tefillah B'tzibur is one of the most important parts of Tefillah. That's with regards to that. Rabotai, this evening, Be'ezrat Hashem, we'll have 2 minyanim for Mincha Kabbalat Shabbat and Arvit, 6:30 downstairs, and 7 o'clock up here. Shabbat Shalom U'Barach.